Hi. A lot of us have stress in our lives, and I have learned through laughter yoga, ha ha ha, but truly through laughter yoga. I'm a laughter yoga facilitator, and one of the very basic, simple techniques that I've learned to really make me feel great when I'm not feeling so great, which we all go through, is very simply, you inhale, and on the inhale you smile. I will show you this, I'll demonstrate in a moment. And on the exhale you release the smile. So it looks something like this. And you'll notice even my body started to relax. Now when you smile, even if it's a false smile like this, endorphins are released from your brain, which will immediately start to make you feel better. So the longer you hold your smile, the more endorphins are released, the better you will feel, like it or not. So if you don't want to feel better, don't smile. But if you do, go. I suggest doing that in groups of 3 or 10 if you're really feeling ambitious. So, enjoy that technique. It's the beginning basic laughter yoga technique.